What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be installing it's like a power bar, I think that's what they call it, something like that, on the Evo today. So stay tuned for that. Right here is the goodies. Let me go find something and cut this baby right over. Little razor. Gonna go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Nice and crispy cuts. Let's see. So it's called like a little power bar, I believe. That's what they call it. I have to double check and see what they call it. But it's like a little brace for the front that you typically see on the Evos. It's a pretty cool little piece. I really love how it looks if this thing will come out. So here we go. So there is like a CUSCO or however you pronounce that, I don't know, but that was like 200 bucks. This one was like around $50, which is more affordable for me since I mean it's just a bar, nothing special. So I mean, so I just went ahead and just went the cheapest route because I'm gonna paint this anyway. So I don't really see the point spending the $200 on a fancier bar, but here is what we got. A lot smaller than I thought. They look a lot bigger on the car, but also too I'm hoping it fits my intercooler because some of these don't clear intercoolers, so sometimes you gotta get a special intercooler or one that fits for it, but we will find out. I said earlier, I am painting this bar, and the color I am painting it is this blue. See if I can focus. There you go. It's a metal cast blue. It's really cool. You can't. Yeah, look, there you go. It has like a nice little blue to it. It's really nice. I really love the color. I am gonna paint my calipers this color as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this real quick. I'm gonna scuff it up and then primer it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay that on, and then after that I'm gonna clear coat it. I did go ahead and scuff it with just some red Scotch-Brite. So that's scuffed. I just scuffed it just so I could get some better contact with the primer, so it should be pretty good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some primer. And I put the Lexus outside just so I wouldn't get any overspray on it and stuff. But damn, these two look good next to each other. First coat is down and looking a lot better than that baby blue. There is the bar, fully primered. I did about 3 coats of primer on this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the base coat. First coat of blue, done. Alright, so I just got done with the final coat. I did go ahead and do 4 coats on this one, and it's looking pretty good. I did overdo it in some spots. There is a little darker spots than there is. You see right there. Right there. You can't really see it from afar, but really up close you can really notice it, but who cares, whatever. But up next I'm gonna go ahead and give it like 3 coats of clear, and then after that we should be good. Alright, just finished the last coat of clear, and I just gotta let this dry overnight, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that on this bad boy tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day, guys, and this thing should be dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bumper. Now that the bumper is off, I gotta take off this bracket right here. I'm gonna have to disconnect the horn, and I'm gonna have to take off this bracket right here as well. and that's where the bar is gonna mount. And then up here there's supposed to be a bolt here, but I, I don't know where that went, but we'll see what we can find to put that on. Those brackets off. Now I'm ready to put the bar on. There is the bar, nice and installed. Barely pretty much cleared on this side. The intercooler is kind of leaning more to the right, but it's clearing, so that's all that matters. I'll probably go ahead and paint this intercooler later, maybe black or something, or get a new one. I don't know. It looks a little ugly, but I got this on, so now let's put the bumper back on. So the bumper is back on, bar is on, we are ready and squared to go. I can't really see that good because of the sun and the shade hitting. I don't know, it's a very dark image right here, but I'm gonna try to go out and get some nice shots of it. But crazy how a little bar makes a big difference on the look. Like, I don't know, it just makes it look cool.